Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a video about affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make money online without launching your own product or dealing with inventory, affiliate marketing is the way to go. Today we're diving into the top affiliate programs from big name retailers like Walmart, Temu, Target, Amazon, and Best Buy. Let's find out which one's best for you. Did you know you can earn money every time someone clicks a link in shops at Amazon, Walmart, or even Temu? No products, no inventory, just your link and a little strategy. Sounds too easy. It's not. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Whether you're a content creator, a blogger, or just someone looking for a side hustle. These 5 affiliate programs could change the way you make money online. Let's break down each one of them and help you pick the perfect one for you. And stay until the end because the last one has one of the highest paying commissions and you do not want to miss that one. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product using a unique link, and then when someone buys from that link, you earn a commission. No shipping, no customer service. You just promote the product and get a profit. So let's first start off with Amazon Associate. It's one of the most popular affiliate programs, and Amazon has millions of products that you can promote. It's a great starting point. And Amazon has commission rates from 1 to 10% depending on the category. And a lot of people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month just promoting affiliate programs. And Amazon is a very popular program. And the second affiliate program that you can use is for Walmart. Yes, Walmart also has an affiliate program. And the commission rate is between 1% and 4% on most items, depending on the category and the item. And Walmart is a shopping place that a lot of people use. Walmart is great for creators in family, groceries, and home niches. The next one that we're going to talk about is Target. Target is also very popular and its commission rate is up to 8% depending on the category. And for Target, it works better for lifestyle bloggers and influencers on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. It's also a very popular one, Target. The next affiliate program that we're going to be talking about is about Best Buy. Best Buy is a good one because it's for electronics, gaming, and any other electronic gadgets. And the commission rate is 1% or sometimes higher, it depends. And it's all up. And Best Buy is a really good one because it's perfect for bloggers that do tech reviews, for YouTubers doing unboxing, doing any other reviews. It's a really good one for Best Buy. Best Buy is a really good one because it has different products that it has to do with tech. And the last affiliate program that we're going to talk about is about Temu. Temu is the good one because Temu at the moment is offering up to 20% of commission rate. And that one is new. It only has a few years that it started, but Temu affiliate program is known for super low prices in viral TikTok products. It's a really good one because it has high commissions, it has trending products, and Temu is great because you can use it for hauls, viral content, especially for TikTok reels and shorts. So Temu is a really good one to use. So which affiliate program do you want to use? Well, it depends on your content and audience. For general audience, you can use Amazon or Walmart. For fashion and lifestyle, you can use Target or Temu. For tech focus, you can use Best Buy. You don't have to pick just one. You can diversify your links across your platforms to maximize your earnings. Just be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and let us know which one is your favorite affiliate program. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now. Take care.